Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And as you see from the title, it got really real. But here's the updated version of the Bantu knots. I'm just going to retwist them and go from there. So as you can see, Sydney's hair is fully dry. This is how I wanted her hair to be when I first did her hair. I wanted it to be fully dry, but now it's dry. But the curls were loose and I wanted them to look like very curly, very bouncy and flowy. So it's the next day and I'm just going to wrap her hair dry, like I stated so many times. But I'm re-wrapping her hair, and I'm using those hairpins. And I've decided that I only want to do like the crown area of her hair because she's just so sensitive. Everything I do is just, it hurts her. And then it does really hurt with Bantu knots. If you ever had Bantu knots, you know those things can hurt if you wrap them too tight. So I'm trying not to wrap them as tight, but I still want them to have a good curl to it. So that's why I'm adding the hairpins. And she, like, when you wrap it and you get to the end and you kind of want to tuck the ends under, that's the part that really hurts her. So I'm trying not to hurt her, but you know, it's Sydney, so it's going to happen. But you know, I still try to do my best not to allow it to happen. But I'm going to put a hairpin on just to secure the knot. And I decided not to wrap the two sides of it, which in hindsight I should have done, but I want to protect her edges at all costs. So I just let them out. I left them alone, and I decided to add the leave-in conditioner from Carol's Daughter because I kind of wanted to reactivate the products that were already in her hair instead of adding more products, because that will take us back to the drawing board, and that was, her hair was not completely dry, so I wanted to avoid that. So I just added a little bit of leave-in conditioner, and that helped. And I know I could have added a little water, but I didn't want to take chances with water at all, okay? Because I know sometimes products, they dry up faster than water does. If that makes sense to you, or let me know if you know what I'm talking about. So I'm to the front, I'm wrapping her hair, and I will just let you guys watch this part. And then after that, I put on a satin bonnet that is actually my Aunt Carrie's, and somehow it ended up at my house, but thanks, girl. Yeah, and I just want to say thank you to my subscribers that have been with me forever, from my day one on this journey from natural hair to Sydney's now relaxed hair. Thank you for your support, and I've gained a lot of new subscribers. Thank you for being here. Welcome to our family. We have fun. We talk to each other. We give suggestions. Positivity, cool vibes is all welcome here. Even constructive criticism. And I just thank you for subscribing and joining our family. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can maybe receive notifications when I post a new video. Maybe. So we're all finished. Now it's time to put the silk cap on, and she's going to go to bed and get ready for school tomorrow. And this kind of hurt her, so I have to be really careful. So it's the next day. It's the next day now, and she's kind of upset. It hurts to the touch. You know, I'm invading her space. She likes to do her thing in the morning. I usually do her hair at night. So it kind of hurts, the hairpin. So I'm taking them out really gently And the process of unraveling these Bantu knots are just painful for her. And the fact that I'm unraveling them and then trying to take pieces of each section and finger coil them in a different direction so the curls can be nice and uniform and cute. It was painful for Sydney, okay? So this experience was like, girl, hurry up and get me out of here. I'm ready to go to school, okay? She's like wincing and everything, but I'm excited as I take these Bantu knots out because the curls are beautiful. I cannot wait to do this on my hair because Sydney did not appreciate these things at all. She didn't appreciate the curls, the bouncy, the flowy, the tightness of the curls. And she didn't understand that the curls will fall. You know, they will elongate as the days go by, and even in Texas, within an hour. Okay? She didn't understand that. So I'm unraveling them, and the more that I do it, the more that I said to myself, I should have retwisted the entire head because this is giving me life. Okay? The curls are beautiful. So I'm just taking each section and I'm just doing individual sections within a section, and I'm making sure the curls are cute and laying the way that I want them to lay. And you just have to like kind of finger coil each strand. And then you guys suggested maybe she'll just like the Bantu knots at the top. No, she looked at it and said no. You cannot ask Sydney questions when she's upset because the answer will be no, unless you say you want to go to Starbucks, you want Chick-fil-A, or do you want to go to Crumble Cookies. She'll say yes to those things, but any questions about her hair, it's a no. When she's upset, everything is a no, except for things, you know, food or going somewhere. So, to the trampoline part. So, she's looking at her hair and she's saying, no, Mom, no. And I'm like, no, what? The curls are going to fall. She was like, what is this? No, Mom, no. I'm like, this is beautiful. Your hair is beautiful. The curls are going to drop. Don't you know how many people want their hair to look like this? And she's like, no, it's ugly. And then she starts breaking down like the final look, because I guess she waited for the final. She thought something different was going to happen once I got to that last Bantu knot. And she turned around and tears just start falling, honey. She was like, no, Ma, I hate my hair. I hate it. I can't go to school like this. And then I'm like, just shake it, you know, play with it, you know. And she was not having it, y'all. She said she did not want to go to school. I can't go to school like this. Why did you do this to my hair? And then I'm trying to find a way. Maybe I should pin it back. And she's like, no. And I'm like, you look good. She looks so good, y'all. But she wasn't having it. And then this is her coming home from school.
Turn around.
I thought she looked like a nice little church girl that walked on Selma, across the Selma Bridge. But she didn't understand that. But I thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.
Hey, how was school though? Did you survive?
No.
You didn't? So this is somebody else's body walking through the door? Somebody else's body? Let me kiss.